I have had no money. I am unable to engage actually any learned advocate. And for
You can file in your own as a petitioner in person. We can give you a legal aid also if you want.
4 appointment letters I already returned back before the Honorable Decent Chief Justice Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud. 4 appointment letters
Why?
being issued by
Why?
High Court Legal Services Committee.
Why?
I already returned back. What I will do? I didn't get any assistance.
Austerity is not a ground for denying a right. I tell you very frankly. What kind of a letter is written to us? Sir, you mentioned the matter. The matter was directed to be listed. Then what is the purpose of writing a directly letter to us?
Due to excessive mental torture, Your Lordship.
Sir, please.
Due to excessive mental torture.
Please wait. Why the live streaming has been allowed by us? The reason is that the citizen of the country should know what is the procedure, how the court conducts, how the hearings are done, how it is done. But this is not the way. It never. This is the recently it has come up. When I joined the profession, never. When I came on this side, it was never. You can come here, mention the matter, tell your agony. We are here to take care of everything.
Previously,
your house and then sending it is not, though it is very, very, very innocuous. There is nothing. But please do not indulge this kind of. You can come before the court, make your submission. We will definitely entertain it.
Previously, I gathered bitter experience and being disgusted. I actually
are not alike.
I am actually praying apology and from the honorable courts.
No difficulty, sir. I always encourage that if the litigant comes, definitely we'll hear out. But these kind of things are not appreciated.
Okay.
Yes, what is your grievance? Where is the you are not the appellant?
Lordship,
Yes. What is
I
this?
am
It's out
appealant.
of time. Section 5 has not been allowed.
No, Lordship.
So,
Lordship,
how many days delay? "86 days delay, sir." Our stamp reporter says.
Oh.
What do you have to say? They ask for condonation. Would you like to file your reply? That's
No,
the right which is given to you.
no, Your Lordship. Actually, I am passing through extreme financial stringency. At first, I am praying. Actually, urgent relief, and from Your Lordship through interim relief. Without money, how I will file? Where I will get?
Please realize this thing. A single bench has passed an order in your favor, it appears. They have challenged the order. That is the right which is there in the statute. They can. Now it appears that there is a delay. They could not file the appeal within the time. Now they wanted us to condone that delay. Since they are out of time, a right is accrued in you to oppose this condonation.
I am not allowing, Your Lordship. I am not allowing because date of filing August
So you
and
have a
date
right,
of communication to the petitioner on November.
please consider. You have a right. Now they have said something on affidavits, on oath. This is what the procedure is. So you have a right to controvert those allegations by way of an affidavit also. Because you have to also file an affidavit saying that what they are saying is not correct. So that is why I'm asking you, sir, can you file it? Otherwise, whatever they have said on oath, we have to accept it.
I have had no money. I am unable to engage actually any learned advocate. And for
you can file in your own as a petitioner in person. We can give you a legal aid also if you want.
4 appointment letters I already returned back before the Honorable Decent Chief Justice Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud. 4 appointment letters
Why?
being issued by
Why?
High Court Legal Services Committee.
Why?
I already returned back. What I will do? I didn't get any assistance.
Sir, then you'll have, when you have come in person, then please tell me, will you file your affidavit? Will you not file your affidavit? The law is very clear. I must be very candid.
No, I am unable to due to lack of money. I am
I
unable
am
to.
telling you, this is not a way, because austerity is not a ground for denying a right. I tell you very frankly. Law is, if you want, I can give you a Supreme Court judgment on that. Supreme Court has said austerity cannot be a ground. You have a right to get assistance from a legal aid if you want. Otherwise, is your case, you can file your affidavit. If you do not file your affidavit, then there is no denial of what they say in law. If there is no denial, then we'll have to accept whatever they have said. That is what I am really making you to understand. Please kindly understand. Your valuable right, you are trying to destroy your valuable right. That's your valuable right to oppose. Do something, file the affidavit, no problem. We will consider. You have said that you have told them, you have communicated every order and all, everything. Please bring those facts on record by way of an affidavit. Come, we will definitely take up the matter. Don't worry.